In this video, we're going to be observing the evidence of a chemical change, formation of a precipitate. For this example, you're going to see me create a precipitate by a chemical reaction. A precipitate is when two liquids come together to form a solid. So here we have our substance 1, which is milk. And then we have our substance 2, which is vinegar. This is apple cider vinegar, by the way. So we're gonna put that in there, and that is going to sit for a little. And we're going to see, I don't know if you can kind of see, it's kind of curdling, or it's given the appearance of like spoiled milk. If you can see that, you can see those bubbles are starting to form, and it's kind of getting a thicker yogurty look. So it's forming a solid. And I'm gonna stick my finger in there so you can see the solid grains that are being formed. Actually, let me see if I can use a dipstick. All right, so as you can see, it's getting kind of thick. Those two liquids together are forming a solid, and I'm gonna stick this piece of cardboard in here. And I can already feel the thickness. It's so nasty. It's kind of chunky, and I'm gonna lift it up and you can see the chunks that are formed. Those two liquids form a solid, and you can see it's very chunky and like almost like yogurt. That those two liquids formed a solid. You can see that it's very nasty looking, like spoiled milk. You definitely would not want to drink this. So that if you were to be asked, was there a chemical reaction? Yes, there was. How do you know there was a chemical reaction? Because we created a new substance, and that new substance, we took that liquid and those two liquids, and we created a solid. We created a precipitate. That was our new substance, this thick, chunky, yogurt-looking thing. So this is now spoiled milk. Can this change be reversed? No, it cannot. We cannot separate our vinegar and milk and make this back into regular drinkable milk. This is a chemical change has occurred. A chemical reaction has occurred. So here you go. This is a precipitate, two liquids that formed a solid.